Hi, Mungai Kihara here, and you are watching African Real Estate. Today we are in Jasmine Estate. This is an estate that is exactly 3 minutes from Kitengela town, and this is the phase 2. The phase 1 is just next to us. There were 16 units and all of them are gone. This is the phase 2 and only 4 units are remaining. The price of each unit in this estate is 9.5 million. The plinth area of each bungalow is 140 square meters, which translates to 1,500 square feet. Our duty today is to show you one of the units and you'll tell me if it's worth your money. Each unit is a 3-bedroom master and suite bungalow with an SQ built on an 8-acre lot. At the entrance of each unit, you have a 2-car parking. Next to it, you have a lawn that can be used as a rest area. Behind each unit, you have an extra space that can be used as the kitchen garden. At the entrance of each unit, you have this foyer area where you can put your shoes just before you hop into the house. Let's get in and have a look. Wow! From the entrance, I can see that the room is very well lit. During the day, you are getting your light from this window, this other window, and the transparent door. During the night, you have this center light, and you have 3 side lights. In this living room, you have your sockets here and here, so it is easy for you to orient your furniture according to your desire. From this living room, you have your access to the dining area, and next to it you have the kitchen. This is the entrance to the common toilet, and this is the entrance to the other bedrooms. Let's start with the dining area and the kitchen. This dining area is big enough to fit a family of 6 to a family of 8. From this dining area, you have your access to the kitchen through this door. Just follow me. This is the door that leads to the kitchen over here, and that is the common toilet. Let's get into the kitchen first. This is a modern kitchen and it looks good. From here, I can see that you have an area for your cooking stove. You have your upward and downward cabinets over here. Just behind me, you have an entrance to the pantry. And it's big enough for your storage. On my right hand side, you have a double sink with a tilting faucet and a sieve inside, just to make sure that your debris does not get into the sewer. Just next to me on this upward cabinet, you have this special area where you keep your spices. Next to me, you have this door that leads to the kitchen garden and the servant quarter. Let's have a look at the servant quarter and the kitchen garden. This is the servant quarter, and it's big enough. In here, you also have the servant quarter bathroom. and it's quite big. In here, you have a rain shower, a handheld, a soap holder, a water closet, and a tissue holder. From the servant quarter, you have a rounded area. On this side, next to it is the entrance to the kitchen, and on my right hand side, you have the kitchen garden. Next to the kitchen garden, you have a 5,000 water liter tank that I believe is enough for your water storage. Let's get back inside. From the kitchen, you have the common washroom. And before you get into the common washroom, you have a sink over here and a small mirror. This common washroom is exactly at the center, and it can be easily accessed from the living area, the dining area, or the kitchen. Let's hop into the other rooms and have a look. In the living room, and this door leads to the bedroom area. At the entrance of the bedroom area, on my right hand side, you have the first bedroom. On my left hand side, you have the second bedroom. In front of me, you have the master bedroom. And behind me, you have the shared washroom and the shared bathroom. Just have a look. In the washroom, you have a rain shower, a handheld, and a soap holder. At the entrance of the bathroom, you also have a sink and a small mirror. In the shared washroom, you have a normal water closet and a tissue holder. Let's have a look at the first bedroom. From the entrance, I can see that the room is equipped with floor-to-ceiling closets. In this closet, you have a section here for your shoes and 2 drawers. It's a fairly big closet. On my right hand side, you have a very big window that brings a lot of light to this bedroom. Let's move on to the next bedroom and have a look. This is the second bedroom, and it also comes with similar closet to the first bedroom. You also have a big window on this side for your lighting. Let's get into the master bedroom. From the second bedroom, this door leads to the master bedroom. This leads to the living area, and this leads to the first bedroom. Let's have a look at the master bedroom. At the entrance of the master bedroom, you have the master bathroom. Let's have a look. This bathroom comes with a shower cubicle, and in the shower cubicle, you have a rain shower, a handheld, and a soap holder. Outside the shower cubicle, you have the water closet, a tissue holder, a sink that comes with a small mirror. From the master bathroom, you have the master closet. In here, you have 2 sets of drawers. This and this. At the middle, you have this section. This room gets sufficient light during the day from these 2 windows, this one and the other one. During the night, this room is fed by this center light and the side lights. Just have a look. It's really beautiful. That's all about Jasmine Estate. If you want a unit here, please feel free to holler us. And if you have not followed us on Facebook and Instagram, click the links below. That's all for now. See you in the next video.